Hey everybody, so thought I'd bring you along. Me and Grunkle Billy stopped over at Harbor Freight. You can see it in the background there, hazard fraught. And I got some tools. Where's my hand? There it is. I hate front cameras. I got some new tools, so let's check it out. I think it's a great price and a great deal. So hang on a second. All right, so brand new tool at Harbor Freight, the Berger 3-in-1 multi-process 135 amp welder. It does MIG, TIG, and stick. So $119. Is that crazy? Seems like a good unit. I've been waiting for something kind of cheap. I know I've got that Temu welder. It'd be cool to kind of put these head to head. And then I bought the Berger TIG welding accessory kit. So this guy doesn't come with the TIG accessory. 119 bucks. You get the MIG gun and the stick electrode, and then for another $80 you can get the TIG welding accessory kit. And for $35, you get a 2-year, no questions asked, fell off the back of a truck, exploded in a million pieces warranty. So that's what I did. 35 bucks, 2 years, and it covers the welder, not the TIG torch. All right, yeah, so what I'd like to do is, do a head-to-head with this and the Temu welder that I got. But, maybe now we can actually start doing some real stuff like fixing Trevor's 350 frame, and I've got some stuff that I'd like to weld on the underneath of my truck so I can fix some of the foot whatever you call them, the foot things, the foot panel strips that go on the doors. The screws are all coming out because it's all rotted out. Anyways, point is, if you're looking for a welder, we're gonna see. I'll do a review. I've got some scrap metal that I got from work, and we're gonna try it out. But if you're looking for a cheap welder, 120 bucks, and with TIG, I mean, it cost me $260 with the warranty and tax and everything. I don't think that's that bad. And I already have like gloves and a welding helmet and all that stuff. I bought all that stuff when I got the Temu welder, and I got that from Harbor Freight too. So Harbor Freight, if you're listening, look, you're right there. If you're listening, sponsor me. You know how many tools I bought from you? Everybody keeps telling me you need to be sponsored by Harbor Freight. I don't quite know how to do that. So if anybody's got an idea, leave a comment down below who I can contact or whatever. But yeah, I'd love to do a collab with them. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.